This tiny jet can outrun your expectations in seconds. No runway? No problem. Hand launch it, punch the throttle, and suddenly you're flying a screaming EDF fighter in a space no bigger than a park. The craziest part? Almost anyone can fly it. What if you could take off from almost anywhere? Grass, gravel, even water, and still pull off smooth, jaw-dropping aerial moves. Meet the Timber 1.5-meter 10th Anniversary Edition, and it's better than ever. Let's start with what made Timber legendary, its STOL capability. Thanks to oversized Tundra-style wheels, shock-absorbing landing gear, and functional slotted flaps, you can take off and land in incredibly short distances. Rough terrain? No problem. This aircraft is built to handle it. And yes, it still features that iconic short-nose design, a nostalgic touch that longtime fans will instantly recognize. Under the hood, things get even exciting. The powerful 3S and 4S compatible motor system gives you the flexibility to choose between smooth cruising or high-performance flying. Pair that with a stiffened wing design and you get better control, sharper handling, and enhanced aerobatic capability. Whether you're looping, rolling, or just cruising low and slow, this plane delivers. Now let's talk convenience. The new top-mounted hatch makes battery swaps quick and hassle-free. Combined connectors simplify wing installation. No more complicated setups. And with a 70-amp Smart Light ESC and optional telemetry, you can monitor battery voltage, current, and more in real time. That's next-level control and confidence. Pilots love how adaptable this aircraft is. Want better slow flight performance? Add leading-edge slats. Feel like flying off water? Attach the included floats. From calm park flights to rugged field adventures, this plane adapts to your style. The Timber 1.5-meter 10th Anniversary Edition isn't just an upgrade, it's the ultimate evolution. If you're ready to level up your flying experience, this is the aircraft you've been waiting for. What if you could fly a fighter jet in your local park? Not a toy, a real high-performance EDF jet that fits in your backpack. This is the UMX Viper 30mm, and it's insane. Right out of the box, it looks stunning with its sleek aircraft studio design trim and built-in functional lights, but the real magic happens in the air. Unlike typical jets that feel intimidating, this one flies incredibly stable. Thanks to its low-wing sport design, it feels predictable, responsive, and smooth, perfect for pilots stepping into EDF for the first time. Don't let the size fool you. The 4S-compatible power system delivers serious speed and thrust. We're talking fast passes, strong vertical climbs, and crisp aerobatics, all in a compact frame. And if you want even more performance, remove the landing gear and unlock higher speed and better vertical power instantly. Here's where it gets really exciting. With AS3X stabilization, the jet stays locked in and smooth even in windy conditions. And Safe Select, that's your safety net, making takeoffs, flight, and landings easier than ever. There's even hand launch assist mode, so you can launch it effortlessly without a runway. Pilots love how versatile it is. Fly from a smooth surface with the steerable nose wheel or hand launch it over grass. Its ultra-micro size means you can fly in parks, sports fields, places most jets simply can't go. And with real-time telemetry, you're always in control of your battery and performance. The UMX Viper 30mm isn't just a small jet, it's a big experience in a compact form. If you've ever dreamed of flying a jet, this is your moment. PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.